Welcome back. Now what we need to do is that we need to work on the order button so that once the user clicks on it, it takes that product and adds that product to the cart. So let me open our project, and then in the products here, if you scroll, you'll find that we have a button called order here, this button. So instead of this button, we need to create a form. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna create a form here. I'm gonna say form first, and I'm gonna give this form two things, method and action. The method is gonna be post, and the action is gonna be cart.php. And then inside that form, we need to store the data that we want to take with us once the user clicks on order now. So the first input that we want to create is gonna be a hidden input. I'm gonna say type hidden, and that is gonna be the name of this input is gonna be product name. I'm gonna say here product name. But before the name, we need the ID. So I'm gonna say product underscore ID, which is the first thing, and then the value. So the value is gonna be PHP, and then echo, and then what we want to echo is that we want to echo the product here, product, and then product ID, product underscore ID. And now we need to say here semicolon, and then we need to repeat this but store different things. So what we want to store, let me copy this and then paste it here many times. We need to paste it like 5 or 6 times because we want to take with us different things. We need to take with us the ID and then the name, and here is going to be name, here name. We also want the description. I'm going to say description, and here description, and then we want the price, and then here price. We also want the special offer. I'm going to say special underscore offer, and here product special offer. We also want the category, and here category, and finally we need, let me check the database, we need the quantity. The quantity is going to be 1 by default. The quantity is 1, so there is no need for working on the quantity here, because in the cart the user will be able to decrease or increase the quantity. So now we are done here. The last thing that we need to create is an input, and that input is the type of that input is going to be submit, and the value is order, and we need to remove this a tag. We no longer need this a tag. I'm going to remove it. Let me save and let me refresh. So if I refresh, as you can see, we will have this order button. Of course, if you click on it, it's not going to work yet, but we have this button, order button, which is this submit button, and the type, make sure that the type is submit. The value of this is order. The last input that I'm gonna also create is the image. So I'm gonna here say, product image, product underscore image, and here product underscore image, and we are done with this part. Let me save, and we are done.